So today I'll show you how to use a form as an assessment, like an exit ticket or a quiz or a test. So what I did was I created an exit ticket that I saw actually in a third grade math class from the Engage New York curriculum. So I created a name question where they have to type in their name, and I actually uploaded the exact picture from the exit ticket from the specific maths lesson. I can do open-ended questions where they have to do long answer, typing in, things like that. You can do multiple answer questions. So whenever it's a square box like this, they have to check multiple answers if they apply. One answer is the circular one. And then I even uploaded a YouTube video for an extension for any students who might need the next grade levels information about geometric shapes. And then just as a follow-up to that video, after they watch it, they can just write a little short answer about one thing they learned for exposure. So that's the short quiz that I made. You can go over here to see the responses. Once you send this quiz to your students, they will gather a summary for you. This is individual results for specific students, and you can see what each student responded with. And then if you go to a summary, it gives you more holistic information for your entire class about each question, and then all the answers if they had to type it in. But what I really like is to use this sheet, which is Google's form of spreadsheets, and it gathers all the data. It tells you when they took it, who specifically took it, and it gives you the data here. It gives you all the responses that the students provided. But if you really want to get fancy, I use the add-on Flubaroo to actually grade the quiz so that I don't have to do the grading. So I'll just take you through the screens. It'll give you, this is why I did one as a key over here, because as a teacher, I want to go through and make sure my quiz looks good. I take the quiz myself, I put in answers, and typically I would select correct answers, and then you decide how you want to grade it. So this question about the name clearly identifies the student, so you don't want it graded. Some you need to grade by hand because they're typed in responses. Any kind of spelling errors are going to affect that grading, but then any kind of multiple choice can be normal grading. It's taking a bit here to kind of go through the steps. So here's step 2. You have to select which submission you want to use as your key. So I named my key so it was really easy to pick. And then it grades the assignment. So what it does here is it actually gave you a different tab down here, and it gives you the data that you need. So now it gives you more specific information, such as how many points are possible, average points, even the low scoring questions, so you can go back and reteach that specific section. And that's why I like forms for quizzes.